Welcome to Tiger King's YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to make corner radius. As you can see, I didn't finish it properly when I made a 240 volt outlet for my welding machine. Today, I'm going to cover it with a stainless steel plate. First, the ends of the metal are sharp like blades. So you should always smooth the edge. Otherwise, it can be very dangerous in the event of an accident. When you build a pressure vessel, all of the pads for a lifting lug and legs have corner radius. All sheet metal edges should be radius. Today, I'm going to show you how to lay out and fabricate a corner radius. Let's get started. Today, I introduced what the corner radius is and how to lay out it. In addition to simply showing videos, I plan to activate YouTube community posts so that the subscribers can ask questions and get answers. If you have any questions, please leave them. I hope today's video was helpful and I will see you next week. Thank you.